Hi guys, this is just a project share that I have for you guys. So as well as the cutesy doodle bug and the bling bling and the the bright colors, guys, I actually love doing vintage as well. It seems quite a mixture of the different themes or styles, whatever you want to call it, but I absolutely love doing vintage. And so what I've got here is a journal, and I've made it out, the cover, out of a one of those, is it manila envelopes, one of those A4 brown envelopes, and I like that because it has a lot of texture. And then I used some tissue paper and some, I think it's Mod Podge, it was Mod Podge I think, and I just used that to create the background and to cover the envelope. And then I used some of this sort of it's like crochet, is it meant to, it's like crocheted well, not like, it is crocheted strips, it's from one of those crochet rolls that you can buy, and I've just used that to cover the spine and also to cover where I sewed in my pages. I can show you the back. This is what the back looks like. And then I hand cut some of the flowers that I had on some scrapbooking paper. Had some really large flowers, and then I thought it would look really cool on this cover, so I hand cut those out. And then I used some of the Tim Holtz Distress ink, probably in Vintage Photo, because that's my favorite one to use. And then also this is from a different paper pad. I'm trying to think which paper pad it's from. I think it's Bohemian something. This was one of my favorite paper pads as well, and I had this little snippet left over, and I've just put it here underneath. And then I had some sort of vellum phrases, and I've cut out this one that says new adventure. And then inside I covered it with some more scrapbooking paper, and I just used some distress inks to distress it. I hand sewed in just like one large signature, and I used various scrapbooking papers and some hand dyed paper with tea that I'd done myself. And yeah, and then I used some decoration. So we'll just quickly go through it. The first page, I have done like a belly band, and I've used some real leaves here and a potted plant stamp that I've stamped out because I thought new beginnings, and we have leaves and things. And then I also have this little kind of like journaling card here, so I put that there on the front page. And the other side is blank. Actually, I think I did want it to be that way. And then the next page, I have a pocket here with another journaling card that I've made, and the background of this is actually little bits of scrapped paper that I've stuck down onto some card, and then I've layered up some more images. And this is a piece from a book, and I liked it because it said Song of Sixpence, and then this had a bird, so if you know the little rhyme, then I thought, yeah, that goes together nicely. And then the back is just a page from a book, and then I've done a little flip pocket, little flip journaling space here. And then I also have this page with a little flip out. Again, this is my tea stained paper that I've done myself, and I've just accentuated the corners here with some more scrapbook paper. And I've just used some more, lots of distressed inks in this book, and some more layered up pieces. And then I have another pocket here. So I like to make these little pockets, and it's just normally a bit of scrapbook paper, and then I layer two other scrapbook papers horizontal to create pockets. And you can make these up, guys, in advance, and they're really good. You can use them for frame mail and flat mail and things like that, or just like this in a journaling book. And then I put in some tags here that has Inspire stamped on it, and then I've made this little tag piece here myself with some pieces, and I've hole punched some hearts and stuck those on. And then we have some vintage paper that I've made, and it's from an actual one of those like old waitress receipts what you used to get when they take your order. So I've used that on the back there, and then some more hand cut from that paper pad and some more Distress Oxide. And then this was on an envelope that when you flip over you actually have a pocket here, and I've made another journaling card with a butterfly, and on the other side you have some space to journal. So I just tuck that in there. We've got some more paper that I have tea stained, and then yeah, I've just accentuated some of the pages. Try not to go too much overboard with this one, guys, with the decoration, because I do tend to do a lot on these journals when I do make them, because I like them to be fat. That's why this one's got lots of pages in it, because yeah, I like it to be quite beefy. And then I've got another one of those pockets that I've made up, and then I've got another journaling card here with a lovely bit of gold trim, and this is on a little envelope, so you can put something, a little note in there or something, and that is just tucked into here. So there's quite a lot of tuck spots in here. I've got another little sticker here that I had, some doily that I've tea stained, and some more of those fussy cut pieces from that paper pad. And then this is another pocket here, and then I've used some more of the trim, and then this is like a little double tuck spot here, little pocket. So I thought that was sweet. And we've got this one here which folds down, so it's like one of those little pre-made envelopes that you get sometimes in a set, but I thought that could be like a little secret writing spot, so I've put that on that page. I've got another envelope where I've fussy cut out a bird, and then you can again make your little, you're not on shot, but you can just tuck in a little note there as well, so that folds on there. And I've just used the other side where I've attached it as part of the decoration. I really like this like floral paper. It was some paper I had in my stash, and I just put this journal together. Also had so much fun making all these little journaling cards and using lots of little bit of off cuts from papers that I'd used, and I just used some more here to decorate the pocket. And I think there's some more, so just some more paper, tea stained paper here. And then I think as you get to the back, is there any more? I thought there was another pocket. Oh, and then I've got the last pocket with a large journaling card and somewhere to write on the back or to put a photo. And I've just laid up some actual knitting and some die cut pieces and pieces that I've cut myself. And yeah, I was really had so much fun putting this together. And then I just have a little card that says handmade with love, and I'll write my name here. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. I absolutely loved making this. I like making these kind of journals where the cover is so flexible, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Talk to me in the comments. What do you think about this journal? Do you like the vintage style? Do you like to dabble in both themes, or do you like to stick to a particular style? Let me know in the comments down below, guys, and enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.